Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Mohammed Asif and I'm business coach at Trans. The course on which I'm going to talk about is goal setting and strategy. This course is about developing habits, changing behavior, focusing on your aim, and achieving your targets at the right place at the right time. The focus is on organization of knowledge and management of the resources so that you can get best out of your profession as well as your life as well. But the focus here is not only on developing the habits, but also making a model through visualization, imaging, blue sky thinking, and then to see that you can make the best out of your life or not. Most of the people, despite enormous efforts, still feel worthless and say that they have not accomplished anything significant so that they can be proud of. Well, the case is not here this. The case is that they do not have the process thinking approach which is required to achieve the best out of anything you want to accomplish. So come and tracks, join us, and we will train you through a habit goal model to get the best out of yourself. Thank you.